veggie lovers, Sarah here, Slam Veggies. Show me some love, baby. Hey, a lot of y'all been asking about hydroponics, and I'm going to show you a little today, okay? Alright, basics. 5-gallon bucket. Water. Air pump with a stone. Nutrition. Part A. Part B. Get it at the hydroponic store. I put a teaspoon per gallon of one, 2 teaspoons of gallon of the other one, and then put it in there. I have this little thing here. Power, checks temperature, EC, all kinds of stuff. Just do the mode. Let's try it. Between 15 and 2,000 is your numbers. Not bad. Now these I just put in there. I had that in the hydroponics system, this hydroponic system. Let's show you this. The plant was in the hydroponic system until a couple of days ago when I put it in there and let it sit for a couple of days. And then these are ones that I did a couple of weeks ago. See, these roots are bigger in there. See, these were smaller. Let me show you them. See the roots? They get bigger. Clay pellets down in there. They're just sitting in the clay pellets. These, see the difference? That was no air. Sitting in the hydroponic system, no air. This is the air. These back here don't have a whole lot of tomatoes left because I did a whole lot of picking. These back here, see them tomatoes? Them back there have been there since I started these from seeds in March. And why are my tomato plants so short? I cut them down. I didn't want them to be as big, and I cut all the suckers off and so forth, trying to keep them trimmed out. And also, my little critters got in it the other day. Hydroponic system. Let's check this out. Reservoir. See that? Air conditioner, water, pipes, a pipe that feeds that, a pump goes all the way down, feeds that, comes up, feeds these little thingies here, goes into here, water, goes through all the way down, travels all the way down, goes out through that hose, into this pipe, back into the reservoir. It holds about 100 plants, I believe. My favorite is the buckets. I use these for, look at the herbs, cuttings from the herbs. Cucumber plants. Oh, I started them up there and didn't know how they was going to go, and now the tubes are totally full of roots. I forgot to turn the hydroponic system on this morning, so they're looking a little rough. I did all my cucumber picking last night, tomato picking last night. So, overall, looking pretty good. Next week, see how light that one is? Next week, they'll be as dark as that one. That air just does so much better. Alright. Slaying veggies.